So this video is in addition to how you can prep your home for the fire safety inspection. I wanted to add this video as an extra training, hopefully to save you some more time, okay? So some counties require that their fire safety plan be stamped. So the way that the process work is typically you schedule your fire safety inspection, watch the other video to how you could prepare your home for that. And then we make sure that you have your fire safety plan with you. Typically, your inspector will also approve your fire safety plan. Usually they go back to their office, they write me a letter for the fire safety plan and the fire safety inspection, okay? Now, some counties are a little backward. They don't do it that way. Port St. Lucie is one of them. So what they want us to do for their specific process, they want us to submit the emergency management plan, the generator plan. We always submit everything at once. They will approve the generator. Once you receive your license, then they want you to send them the license with the fire safety plan approved with a stamp. So it's an old-fashioned stamp that the fire department put that stamp on it. And that's what we need to have in order for us to let them know that you have your license and they can finish processing the rest of your emergency management plan. Nothing else for you to do. All we need for you to do is to take the fire safety plan, because by the time you get this video, we're going to send you the video with your fire safety plan that we wrote for you. Also with the generator plan approval letter from the emergency management division to show that you've already started this process. And also take that with your license. Take it to the fire department and have it stamped. Once you get it stamped, scan it back to us, and then we're going to submit the rest of your documents for you. That's all we need you to do, okay? There's nothing else for you to do. We are still working on getting Port St. Lucie to work with us a little bit more, where we can email the fire safety plan. They can stamp it and send it back to us directly. You as the client don't have to be back and forth, right? But we are working on that. It's just what it is. This is what we have to do for now. And until it changes, I'm giving you a heads up so that you know what to expect and you know what to say and what to do. Okay, so you're basically going to tell them that you got your license already. Part of the procedures is to have your fire safety plan stamped and approved, and you need that approval or you need that stamped document to send to the emergency management so that they can finish reviewing the emergency management plan. That's all, okay? Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Of course, I'm here for you. And until next time, I'll see you later, okay? Talk soon.